I'm Sarah from Creative Ramblings, and you're watching Hometalk.
Start with a piece of butcher paper, fold it in half, and draw half a shape of a leaf. Then cut it out. Now when I open up the paper, I'm going to have a nice big leaf. I'm going to trace this onto a piece of thick foam board. Using a craft knife, I'm just going to cut it out. It's best to use a couple shallow cuts and just go a little bit deeper every time, and that shape is going to pop right out. Now I want to draw some veining on the leaf. So using a ruler and a pencil, I'm just going to draw a line down the middle and then lines going out to the side. Now, at each point where those lines intersect, the side lines with the middle line, I'm going to take a punch and just poke some holes in it. You could use a pencil or a pen for this as well. You just want to poke some holes through the foam board. Now I'm going to take a piece of yellow felt and hot glue this onto the foam board. I want to make sure that I can still access those holes that I just punched. Using some embroidery floss and a big embroidery needle, I'm going to thread the floss onto the needle, and then I am going to stitch this floss into the foam leaf. So I'm just going to go through those holes that I punched through the felt and kind of go through and recreate those lines with embroidery floss. It's really helpful to take this needle and punch through the hole and through the felt before you start. That way you can see the holes when you have to come through the top of the felt. It's a helpful step to do ahead of time. Now that I've created my leaves, I've got a couple of different shapes and colors here. I can use these large scale leaves to decorate my mantle for fall. They make a beautiful backdrop to put pumpkins and gourds and other things in front of. These would also look great down the center of a table for a fall meal. I hope this inspired you to go start decorating and creating for fall. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.